Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Elementor widget loading issue. So how we can fix it. At first we should log in our hosting server and we can find file manager. Go to your file manager, then we can find wconsfig.php file, and wconsfig.php file, right click on it and code edit. Finally edit. We'll copy this code and paste it wp-config.php. Let's check my video description. I'll put this code in video's description. After save, I'll reload my website, and finally you see it's working. Now we can work on our widget panel. You see. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel.